In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wise account with your Etsy shop. To begin, make sure you're fully logged into your Wise account. If you're unsure how to do this, just open your favorite web browser and head over to the Wise website. Enter your login credentials, double check them to ensure there are no typos, and hit that login button. That's the first step taken care of. Once you're in, the next thing we need to do is open a balance in the currency you'd like to receive your Etsy payouts. This could be anything from US dollars to British pounds or euros, depending on which currency you'd prefer. Having this balance set up is vital because Etsy will need it to transfer your earnings smoothly. Now let's move to your chosen currency balance. Simply navigate to the specific balance you created earlier. For example, if you opted for USD, open that balance. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the account details option. This is crucial because it'll give you all the necessary information you'll need to input into Etsy later on. Here's the kind of information you'll typically find displayed: the account name, which is generally your own name or the name you assigned when creating the account. Then there's the account number, bank name, and a few other details depending on the currency of your balance. If your balance is in USD, you'll most likely see ACH details for domestic transfers within the United States, along with SWIFT details for any international transactions. For those using the Euro balance, you'll need to make note of your IBAN and BIC or SWIFT code, as it's often referred to. If you've opted for GBP, jot down your sort code and BIC. With all this information at hand, let's switch our attention to Etsy. Log into your Etsy shop account, again checking your username and password to avoid any errors. Once logged in, navigate to Shop Manager. From there, head to Finances and finally click on Payment Settings. This is where you're going to link your Wise account with Etsy. Now you'll see an option to add a bank account or edit existing settings. Click it and enter the Wise Bank details you just gathered. These are the same details you noted earlier. Ensure everything is correct, as any errors could disrupt your payout process. Finally, Etsy may verify your bank account by depositing a small test amount. This is a standard practice to confirm the account is functioning as expected, so keep an eye out for this to complete the verification process. Once confirmed, your Wise account will be all set up to receive Etsy payouts smoothly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to connecting your Wise account with your Etsy shop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.